Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester and today I'm here to talk to you about Brett. Now Brett is a very interesting project here because it has had a few copycats on Solana, but this is the OG based Brett token. Now this asset right now is performing quite interestingly. Okay, and why I say that is because the last day basically at break even after seeing quite a substantial pump earlier on in the day, but the last 7 days you can see it's actually up 9%, and the last month, get ready for it, 71%. This thing is exploding right now here. Okay, the trend is looking strong. Obviously, quite significant pullbacks here. Highs still getting broken here. I would like to see us break this high from last week here, up at around 9 cents. They're currently sat around 7 cents, 7 here. If we can get above there, then we're on the next step to continuing this uptrend and going for that billion-dollar market cap, which we have seen before for this asset. And we actually held above it for a very, very long time. The all-time high market cap for this asset is $2.13 billion here. So there is room for growth here, and definitely a chance here for this asset to really catch that caliber and really begin to explode here. So let's talk about the chart and let's talk about how we can make money trading this asset here, because this asset right now is destined for that billion-dollar market cap, in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section of Brett going to that billion-dollar market cap. I'm super intrigued to know your opinion. And just quickly, guys, best wallet tokens for free. Go claim them. Description. Download the wallet, like MetaMask, like Phantom. Download the wallet, claim your tokens, get ready for this massive, massive drop here. Unbelievable stuff. And before we go into the Brett chart, because there's so much interesting stuff going on there as well, mind of Pepe, guys. Bullish flags, I'm looking for 25x. I got involved with this pre-sale. I'm super bullish. It's an AI agent Pepe themed here. They've raised $10 million. They just hit $10 million, guys. That basically means Bybit, BitGet, Binance, Coinbase are massive exchanges that are potentially going to list this asset. They're getting huge news coverage across the board. Massive influencers are talking about them, guys. And also, if you did want to get involved, you can see Ethereum, USDT, BNB, USDC, and also they've had both their audits done. Or you can get involved with MasterCard or Visa if you don't have any crypto right now. But yeah, $10 million, not something to be ignored. Pepe themed AI agent ticks all the boxes for me. Thank you ever so much for listening to that. And let's get back into Brett. So Brett here on the 30-minute, you can see we've come down quite violently. This is what I was talking about at the start of this video here. And as I said, I don't want to keep you guys too long here, but you can see 8.34% to the downside is quite a substantial dump here in the last basically 6-7 hours or so. So what does that mean for Brett right now? It basically means that we could either see quite a strong pump from this area, because if we look at this box here that we've got drawn in, you can see we've actually got quite strong bullish price action from this area in previous times that we've come down aggressively and tested it. Okay, so what we could be looking for here is a pump to the upside, or if we do dump here, it's there is a potential here that we do actually come down significantly further, okay, and all the way down to the lower side here of that 7-2 area, which is drawn in here. As you can see, we have seen massive dumps in previous price action here, even when testing these areas. So if we do fall below this sort of area here, I'd expect downside and at least testing the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement zone. Let me know what you think of Brett in the comment section and whether you think we can see upside here, because if we do look at this on more of a broader scale here, guys, we can see that the trend is bullish. Okay, we are heading up right now. Let me just get rid of a few indicators. Yeah, we are heading up right now. It is looking strong, but we need to take into consideration here the fact that we do have a rising wedge. Rising wedges, guys, they tend to actually usually break down. So if we do break down in this rising wedge chart pattern, then it's very, very likely that we actually see pretty aggressive lower prices for this asset. I'm talking literally a 16% correction potentially, and even 23% is on the cards here. The most recent higher low that was set for this asset is actually all the way down at 38%. So even if we do come down here to 4 cents 6, then we're still actually in a bullish uptrend, guys, believe it or not. So definitely be cautious of that. Definitely get ready to make some money if you are trading that. Obviously, not financial advice, do your own research, all that good stuff. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the Brett update. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Go check out Mind of Pepe, the new Pepe-themed AI agent launching in 8 days' time. Very excited about that. As I said, looking for 25x on my investment. Very, very bullish there. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.